Hi there, my name's Edgar. Reducing no-shows can be tough. Fortunately, Salon by Premier software can take deposits to increase the likelihood clients will turn up to their future bookings. So today I'll be showing you how to set up deposits for web bookings through Online by Premier software. Online by Premier software enables booking of your Salon by Premier software appointments through your website. That first means you will need to log into Salon to set up any deposits using Online. Log into Salon's Manager if you're a single-site business or administrator if you are multi-site. Next, click on the System Setup icon and then the Sites image of the two little houses. Here, highlight the site name you'd like to set up booking deposits for, then click the Site Settings tab at the top. Scroll down the Site Settings list until you find Booking Options. Click to highlight this and you'll be presented with a whole range of booking features you can configure. The second section will show booking deposits. Head to this and next to the text that states web booking deposits required percentage, you can input the deposit amount you would like your online bookings to have. For example, if you were to input 50, this would mean clients would need to pay 50% of whatever booking they make online before they arrive on site to pay the rest. Once you're happy with the deposit amount, click the back arrow to save the changes. Next, you'll need to make sure your appointments are bookable through your website. As a quick refresher on how to do this, from the main menu, head to the right and click on Appointments. Once there, click Appointment Codes. Find the appointment at the bottom, in this case cut and blow dry, highlight this and then click the Site Details tab. To the right you will find a Web Bookable checkbox option. Click this box to make sure the appointment can be booked online. Click the back arrow once you're done. When clients go to make a future booking through your website, they will now be prompted to make a deposit. You can also double check this is functioning as intended by logging into Online through Premier Software's website. Scroll down the menu, click Client Portal and then the Client Portal link. This will give you access to the booking system where clients can use the calendar to locate an appointment and book this. Once booked, you will see a breakdown of the price and, in particular, the deposit price too. Now you know how to set up online booking deposits. For other how-tos, tips and tricks, why not subscribe to our YouTube channel for weekly videos. We also have several social media channels for you to follow for regular content at Premier Software. In the meantime, check out our other videos and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.